Hey there guys, just want to bring you a real quick review on the HUGSVAPE coil trimming tool, and this is an absolutely fantastic little tool. It really is. So as you can see here, the image of it, you can get it in blue and grey. Spin it over, and on the back side of it, it shows you exactly how to do it. All the instructions of what each part is, and it's so simple, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So under here we have the actual one out of the box. So here is for measuring the depth of your coil. So you'll hold that up, and I'll just get a mod here. So I can see where the top of the coil is, round about where I'm going to want it, and the bottom. So what I do is a bit easier on a different mod. In fact, what we'll do is we'll just take this off. It's straight off of there. So we can see where the bottom is. So there's the bottom, right about where that is. So just turn this round. You can see right about where the leg's going to sit. Right about where I want it. So let's see if this works. So it should be 6mm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this back onto here, just for a bit of stability. And yeah, guys, I know you see this mod a lot. It's just I just find it brilliant for giving my ohms reading. So I've got a coil here, fresh braided coil. So if this is correct, spin it over. You're going to take your coil, flip it over. So I don't want the 6mm. I'm going to post it through the bottom of there. So it's nice and plush, even legs each time. And all I'm going to do is, as you can see, just put it to flat, snip, throw the excess down. I said before in the videos, the other problem with braided coils is as soon as you snip them, when it's a small amount, it just splinters everywhere. So there we go, there's the other one. Right, now let's see if this was right then. So where is my tool? There it is. Pop this in. There we go, we'll just see exactly. Keep that in view since I likes it. Then I'm just going to slide this into there, like so, and I missed the post hole. There we go. Gonna get it to the height that I want it. Screwdriver. And I've said on other videos, guys, I'm not used to working on this angle. I've got some more equipment coming tomorrow, which will make this stuff a lot easier, because I won't be able to fight around a tripod from a camera. And then we flip it round. Make sure it's nice and level where I want it. And just adjust a bit. There we go. I'm just going to give these a quick tighten. Quick adjust. As you can see, right there, and I can zoom it in just a little bit more for you. But that is well and truly, oops, angled, level, exactly where I wanted it. So that being said, drop that wedge down, make sure it's nice and stable, a bit more. Centre outwards, no hot spots now. And there we go. So I'm not going to bother wicking this up because, like I said, it's only going to be a short video. But as you see, that is level. Right in there, in between two airflows, tightly sealed. So as I said, yeah, this thing is an absolute godsend. Because I can't count the amount of times, and everyone does it, no matter how experienced you are when it comes to putting coils in, the overburden, having to cut it off, or have to take it out, readjust it slightly. Takes all that out of the equation, and made it a very durable plastic. That ain't gonna break anytime soon. So there you have it. That is the HUGSVAPE coil trimming tool. What more could you ask for? Bit of simplicity. Hope to have helped. Hit that like, leave us a comment, and I'll see you all later.